Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make my favorite smoothie. It is a strawberry blueberry smoothie. Everything in this recipe is natural. There's no crazy ingredients or anything like that, and you can find stuff in the store. So I'm just going to hop into it. For this recipe I like to use any kind of fresh fruit. Today we're going to do blueberries and strawberries. And you just want to kind of go by the serving size is how I do it when I add stuff to the smoothie cup. I just use, a cup or half cup, whatever it says it's recommended on the back of the packaging. You can use bananas, blueberries, strawberries. I also like mangoes and stuff like that as well. Really doesn't matter what kind of fruit you use. This will work for pretty much anything, and I'm going to explain some of the other ingredients that I put in here and why I put in here. The next ingredient that I put in there is some kind of oatmeal. I like to use the quick oats because that's what I have on hand, but the old-fashioned oats work a lot better. They will keep you fuller a lot longer as well, so if you have those or if you buy those or whatever, that is the better option, is to get the old-fashioned rolled oats. I do about 3/4 of a cup, even though it does say a half cup. This has good fiber for you, good protein for you. So when you're putting a lot of sugar into your smoothie, you want to make sure you're balancing it out with a lot of protein. And this is my little reusable cup that I put in there. And I usually just, like I said, fill it up to the 3/4 line. That seems to be how I like my smoothie. If you put more of this, it's going to make your smoothie a little bit grittier. Less will make it smoother. So you can make it how you feel, is best for you. The next ingredient that I like to include in my smoothie is chia seeds. Chia seeds are really the star ingredient of the smoothie or any smoothie you make. I highly recommend putting them in any smoothie. The reason I use them is because they're a good source of fiber. So if you are somebody that needs more fiber in your diet, this is definitely going to help you. Fiber also takes a longer time to digest, and it will make you feel full and satisfied much longer. It also can help with weight loss and decrease your risk of diabetes or heart disease. I know when I put the chia seeds in there, I definitely feel full for much longer. This recipe that I'm showing you guys today too as well is something that is basically a meal replacer. So if you are wanting to lose weight, you probably can do this smoothie about 2 to 3 times a week. I'm showing you what happens with chia seeds, and if you're unfamiliar with them, because I was when I first started, they absorb a lot of water. So sometimes when I put them in my smoothie, I might let the smoothie sit a little bit once I put the liquid in there, because I let this sit for about 10 minutes or so, and then you can see how the seeds start to kind of congeal or get like a gelish substance around it. It's because they're literally pulling the water from, the source, and then it's creating like a gel. So you do want to always add water to these or some kind of liquid so that they can work properly. The liquid that I use for my smoothies is coconut milk. I've tried similar recipes with any kind of milk. If you like almond milk, that's great. I tend to go for the original or unsweetened. You can also use orange juice if you don't have, kind of any other milks around. Um, I like the unsweetened just because for me it's enough. I don't need additional sugar, but if you do want something to kind of boost the flavor or give it better flavor, you can always add a tablespoon of vanilla, or a teaspoon, sorry, of vanilla, and that should be enough to kind of balance out some of the flavors if you're not really into eating healthy or you're just starting to eat healthy. It's a good way to help you, keep on track. Another thing you can add is maybe a spoonful of honey as well. I don't do that, but if you are looking for something that's just naturally sweeter, that helps out a lot. So I will let the chia seeds sit for like a minute or two, and then I will add the final ingredient to my smoothies, which is going to be yogurt. I hate yogurt on its own. I don't eat yogurt hardly ever, so if you hate yogurt, leave me a comment and let me know. But I do prefer whole fat Greek yogurt better. It has more nutrients in it, but today I'm going to be using the plain non-fat yogurt. The only difference that I can say between those types of yogurts that I've noticed is that the non-fat or low-fat ones tend to not keep me as full as long. So if you are using this for a meal replacer, it might be better to go with the Greek yogurt or like a whole fat yogurt because it has more protein and it will keep you full longer. And like I was saying before, you can use this, to replace an entire meal 2 to 3 times a week, and it will help you either maintain your weight or it will help you lose weight in a healthy way. I want to say that as well because whenever I do this or start incorporating it into my diet, I start to be a more healthier weight for my size. So that's a main reason why I wanted to share this with you guys, is because I'm focusing on getting healthy again and, working on my body a little bit. So now that this has been sitting for a little while, I'm going to just screw on the lid to my little smoothie maker, and then I'm going to mix it up. I usually mix it for about a minute or two, and then if I notice some of the stuff like the chia seeds are sitting on top, I might pull it off the blender for a second and then shake it up and put it back on there. So let me know what you guys like to put in your smoothies or what your favorite fruit is. I like to see a comment down below. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like the video because it does help share the video to other people, and it tells me that you guys enjoy this type of content. And if you subscribe, I will continue making more content like this. I can see who's subscribed to what videos, so it definitely helps the channel when you subscribe to me or like the videos or even leave a comment. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and stick around for more stuff later. Bye.